In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split text using a formula in Excel. To follow along, you will want a blank worksheet or a sheet where you can see your columns clearly. We are going to set up 3 header cells first, and then we will enter a text string in the column that holds the original data. This makes it easier to understand what the formula is doing when it splits the text into separate parts. Start by typing the full name into cell A1. In cell B1, type first name, and in cell C1, type last name. Take a moment to look at the row of headers and make sure they match exactly. These labels are useful because once the formula spills the results, you will immediately know which column represents first names and which column represents last names. Next, you will enter your example data. Type your data string into cell A2. Use the example of John Smith in A2, and then type another example, Jane Doe, into cell A3. As you do this, keep your focus on column A, because that is where the combined full name text is stored. The formula we use later will read from that column and split the words into separate outputs. Now that your original text is in place, you are ready to create the first split result. Click on cell B2. This is the output cell where the split names will begin. It is important to select the correct cell because the text split function will spill the results starting from wherever you enter the formula. With cell B2 selected, type the formula text split A2 directly into cell B2. After you enter it, take a second to notice what the formula is doing. The text split function reads the value from a 2, and the separator is a space inside quotes, written as FAT. That tells Excel to treat the space between the first name and last name as the point where the text should be split. Press the Enter key to run the formula. Excel will automatically spill the split results across cells B2 and C2. You should see the first name in cell B2 and the last name in cell C2. This spilling behavior is one of the key benefits of dynamic arrays in Excel, because you do not need to manually copy or drag the results into multiple cells. After you confirm that the first row works, you will set up the second calculation for the next full name. Click on cell B3 to position your next output. This will start the second split in the correct row, matching the location of your second full name in column A. Now type the formula text split A3 directly into cell B3. Again, pay attention to the cell reference. This time, the formula is pulling text from A3, where the second full name is located. The separator remains place, which means Excel will split the text wherever it finds a space. Press the Enter key to complete your dynamic array column layout for this row. Excel will spill the split results into the cells for that row, so you should see the first name in B3 and the last name in C3. At this point, your worksheet has a clear structure. The full names remain in column A, and the split first and last names appear automatically in columns B and C. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.